Hey everyone, Ellie here, and welcome back to another video with a guest star, my sister Bree. Say hi, Bree. She's say hi.
Say hi with your mom.
And I'm also being joined by my babysitter, Miss Monica. If I can get the camera to see it. Hey. There she is. So, what we're gonna do an unboxing video, and I actually break through a little bit already. So, if you can, I should have done this and the other way. Oh gosh. All right, I break through some of it, but we are taking a look at the Assassin's Creed Connor figure. So let's take this thing out the box. I'm trying to. Oh, sorry for the camera being shaky. I'm actually recording this from my mom's phone. So. Yep. Ooh, Connor has a new outfit. Ooh.
Everybody wants to see unboxing, not you.
Okay, so this is how far I got in.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh gosh. This is how far I got in. I'm so pumped to open this accessory. It's unreal. So almost there.
Let me show the camera.
Turn it around. This is how far I got in. Get it. Okay. Gosh, I did not expect it to be this tall. Yeah. Get it. Look at it in its glory. Look at it. Woo! We finally.
I'm using the camera.
So we're unboxing this puppy right now. I'm so pumped. Here we go. Oh no. Secret figure. That looks like what does that look like? Templar or something? Templar is kind of gone.
Ali, let me hold this while you show the camera.
Okay, so I got it out. I happened to got it out the box. There it is. And so we got So we got the back of the box. We got all the different kinds of Connor outfits and suits, plus the DLC for the Connor toy. I won't be able to show you the game because I don't have the console nor the game. So, goodness, the tape. Why the tape?
I'll help with the tape and you just keep talking to your friends
The
about what
tape.
you're gonna do, Ellie. Talk to your friends what you're gonna do while I help. I'm gonna help Ellie.
Oh no, this is not good.
What's wrong, Ellie?
I can't get it out of the box. So,
No, I want to go on your video, Ellie.
my mom's taking care of the box right now. So, Bree, you gonna play some music while we do. I'm really showing her dreidel. It's literally rigged because every time it just lands on Gmail. But you might don't know what I'm talking about. So, yes, it is. Yes. All right. My mom has taken care of the problem, and we have successfully gotten into the outer plastic. Yahoo! So, if we just twist this little thing around in the other way, it should release his waist. And then, that's happened. We take off the outer plastic, and yahoo! By bing bong bang, and that we have now opened the Connor action figure. So bring with you. Mind to give the demonstration. Oh yeah, we did it. We unboxed the Connor. So, let's take the wire around his waist. If I can. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. Alright, I think I got it. Come on. The legs are stuck. You're kidding me. The legs. Oh my gosh.
First unboxing video.
This is not my first unboxing video. I did like 2 unboxing videos. No, come on. Are you kidding me? No. Okay. Okay, so I got this. I got one wire out. Now the other one. Yes, that's another one. If you can get the feet out of it. Oh no, this is not good. Yeah. Okay, there's one out. I need to get the tomahawk. Wait, don't pull on it. Otherwise this thing's gonna, oh.
You remember to buy the fabric softener? You know, when I got in the car, remember?
Alright. Yes, we have got it in out. Look at this. So, this is the Connor action figure toy. So, let's talk about his features real quick. So, hold the phone, please. So,
You hold the
So, what we have with this Connor action figure, he is 6 feet tall. And he has loads of joints. You can move his hands, his feet, his wrists, his arms. You can move his head a little bit. It actually moves with the hood. And you can move his legs a little bit. And yeah, on the back of him we have the quiver and the bow. But unfortunately, the bow can't be taken out. That would be really cool. We got the holsters for his little flintlock pistols. And here we go. While my sister takes out the air. So, where's the, yep. So, while I get this other stuff out, look at this. And man, they picked up absolutely everything. There. All right, Bree. So let's go through the accessories real quickly. So we got the 2, not 1, but 2 flintlock pistols that come with the Connor toy. Just to give you a close-up look. Sorry if this is not focusing. And there, it can't be placed on Connor's hand. Right, if I get him to hold it like so, or can I? I don't know how to do this. Alright, don't worry. Hi. Alright, I'll figure out a way to get it on his hand. And then we got the tomahawk, which is the best piece about this toy because it looks absolutely amazing. And it has the Assassin's Creed figure on his head. There is Bree showing one of the flintlock pistols. And now we have Connor's bow. Again, Bree, you can't show the turtle. Again, you cannot use the quiver. You cannot use the arrow because it does not work. But yeah, it actually has a real string, so for action poses. Wait. And if I can do this here. Now, come on. It doesn't go. This is what you get for doing unboxing videos. Wait. Okay. There goes Bree showing the other piece of the flintlock pistol. And these can be holstered in his little holding sack on the sides of him if I can get it in there. Come on, I know you want to get in there. I just know it. I just know you want to get in there. Oh boy.
And
You know what?
showing everybody the camera.
Right here. I just need to raise his arms a little bit.
And nobody can say anything.
Alright, look. As you can see, I'm trying to get the